Hi, I'm Victor Gaucher, Caltrans Bay Area Public Information Officer for Santa Clara County. Beginning August 2023, Caltrans, in partnership with the Valley Transportation Authority and the City of San Jose, will begin its State Route 87 Pavement Rehabilitation Project in the City of San Jose. Now, this project will extend from Julian Street undercrossing to the connection to State Route 85. The purpose of this project is to improve ride quality, enhance safety, and extend the service life of the pavement on State Route 87. The project will both preserve mobility and safety.
The roadway pavement will be replaced with 20-year life cycle flexible pavement structure, upgrades to existing concrete barriers and guardrails, 28 curb ramps at 6 intersections, drainage facilities, and upgrades to various electrical systems including traffic signals, traffic loop detectors, push button, and pedestrian crossing signals. We will also be resurfacing 2.9 miles of Class 1 bikeway that run parallel to the main line. Full closures will occur intermittently during construction activities in both the northbound and the southbound directions. Closures are needed so that contractors can safely complete construction activities in a timely manner with minimizing commuter traffic impacts. Changeable messaging signs, detours, and directional signs will be placed in the area. During these lane closures, motorists should expect delays, so please allow yourself more time for your commute.
For more project information, click the link below. I'm Victor Gaucher with Caltrans, and remember, drive safe.